Come on, what is the warning? What is it? Okay.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County, Randolph County, Delaware County, northern Henry County until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Anderson, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail.
Why is it always
This is a
hail?
radar-indicated threat.
That's my
The
question.
following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Muncie, Anderson, Winchester, Yorktown, Union City, Chesterfield, Albany, Eaton, Daleville, Parker City, Farmland, Lynn, Gaston, Selma, Bridgettville, Markville, Sulphur Springs, Merlin, Mount Summit, and Saratoga. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 226 and 247. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Henry, Madison, and Randolph.